Hello everyone. Today we are going to look into the one of the problems during the Katalon scripting. On the screen you can see a test with two test steps, that is opening the browser and navigating into a particular URL. So I'm going to run this. So I'm using Chrome for this. You can use any of the available browsers. So it's running and you see an exception here. So it's step failed exception. So it looks like this, like katalon.core.exception.stepFailedException unable to open browser with URL. So if you are facing the similar problem, then I'm going to help you out on this. So let's go into the topic. So whenever you face this problem, it means that you are having a problem with the web browser driver you are using. So in my case, I have used the Chrome browser, which means it executes using the Chrome driver, and it was unable to execute because my Chrome driver is having the problem. So once you go to the log viewer, you can see an option called event log. Click on event log and here you get the path of the Chrome driver. So if you are using Firefox, you will get the path of the Firefox driver similarly. And I go into the path. So I see the Chrome driver here. So this Chrome driver is having the problem. So I need to update this Chrome driver with a proper driver which is compatible. So how to update with proper Chrome driver which is compatible with my machine? So let us look into that. So first you can open the browser, then you can select help about Google Chrome. So here you can see my version of Google Chrome is 83.some subversion. So I should select a Chrome driver which is of same version. So you should go to this URL. I'm going to place this link in my description. You can copy. Here you can see different versions of Chrome drivers which are available. So in my case, I should use the 83 version as my browser version is 83. So once I navigate to this URL, you can see different options are available depending on the OS. So you can see Linux, Mac and Windows. So since my machine is Windows, I should download Chrome driver win32.zip. So even if you are using Windows 64, this Windows 32.zip is going to work, no issue. You can download this Windows 32.zip and use in the Windows 64 OS. Even mine is a Windows 64 OS and it's working fine. So you should download this and place that particular driver in the location of the Chrome driver. So you should replace this one. So this is the process which you need to follow to resolve this issue. So but the tool Katalon is already having this automated. So how I'm going to show you. Once you go to the Katalon page, you can see option called tools and use update web drivers and click on the desired driver. For in my case it's Chrome. So once I click on this Chrome, it's going to automatically upgrade my Chrome driver. So once I click, you can see updating web driver message is displayed and you can see it's searching for latest release 83. So it has fetched my browser details and it found that my browser version is 83 and it's trying to download the compatible driver. So you can see it's updating the web driver. It's going to take a very little amount of time. you can see WebDriver has been updated successfully. Once you click on the finish, now I'm going to run it again. So you can see we have navigated into the particular URL, which is the YouTube and my channel actually. So the test is successful, and you can see the green color, which means the 2 steps are passed. So you can do that a similar way. It will resolve the issue, and if it resolves your issue, please give me a thumbs up.